Hello friends, it's Reza. Welcome to channel Reza Blade. And you have come to my first 30 in 30 Take 3 review. So I do these series from time to time where I do 30 reviews in 30 days. You'll want to subscribe and click that notification bell because we've got 30 days of awesome reviews coming up and you don't want to miss anything. So today we're going to do a real find. We've got some larger plates from ZJOY. I've got manicures to show you for ideas on what to do with the plates. I've got links in the description box to let you know where to buy the plates. And of course, I will show you plates and swatches of all the designs on the plates. So first, let's go to my manis. We've got a nice ornamental design here. I hope you can see that in focus. And my favorite one of the two is on my left hand. I matted that out just because it seemed like it looked better to me that way in my head, and I am happy with it now that it's done. I really love this. So let me show you the plates. We've got ZJOY Plus 009 and ZJOY Plus 008. So let me show you 8 first. Looks like it's going to take up the whole screen. Here we have one layered element on the plate. This goes under these feathers, just so you know what those blobs are. You can do these over a gradient, over a smushy. You can do these over a single color, whatever. These are great ornamental elements that are just for a mani where you just need it to look beautiful. And these definitely look beautiful. There are 3 words on this plate. They are pretty tiny. It says Butterfly, Countess, and Queen. I mean, wouldn't this make a great, if you, my words are gone. This would make a great French tip right here. That would be fabulous. So, and you could color that in like a reverse stamping or a decal, so that you would have your line between the French and the regular color perfect without you having to mess with it. Alrighty, so I hope you like this one. We're coming to the next one. 009. Here we go. More beautiful decorative elements. These are a little bit different in character, more mandala-y. I know mandala-y isn't a word, but you know what I mean. Look at that pretty little dragonfly. I love these star flourishes. Up here too. I mean here. All right. You can color these in with, put them on leave them on your stamper, color them in, make a decal. These are just beautiful. And you'll see these are great for longer nails too, because these images are, some of them are just huge. So if you have a problem with, images as big, finding images as big as your nails, look no further. All right, so I'm done with that one. I hope you had a chance to see all those designs. And let me show you where this is 008 swatch. They are coming out great. Look how beautiful those are. All right, so that's 008. I flip the page to 009. Here's the better stamp. There was just too much polish on it here. That was my fault. Lovely, lovely. A lot of these would go great together, like the different stars that you see. One Manny. Like these two. This is a bigger version, looks like, of that. Well, not exactly, but you know what I mean. And got some nice edging there. All right, so those are the plates and the swatches. I hope you enjoyed my manis, and I hope you enjoyed this first review of 30 and 30. Don't forget to subscribe. Click like if you enjoyed this, and I'd love to hear your comments or questions below. And like I said, you'll find where to get these in the description box. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.